Good morning, everyone. Welcome back. Welcome back to class. Let's get to work and get this next week started. The Pledge of Allegiance. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. The Texas Pledge. Honor the Texas flag. I pledge allegiance to thee, Texas, one state, under God, one and indivisible. Today is Tuesday. Yesterday was Monday. Tomorrow will be Wednesday. The month is April. What is the month? April. Today is Tuesday, April the 14th, 2020. The weather is partly sunny. So the weather today is going to be partly sunny. The temperature is 78 degrees. It is going to be warm outside today. Today our life skills is to learn how to tie our shoes. Here are a few steps that you can follow to help you and guide you to tying your shoes. Remember, be active. Go outside, play, run around, play soccer, kick ball, baseball, run around with your pets.
Our social skill lesson. What is one thing you have learned to do while being at home? I have learned to make new delicious food, keep myself more organized with school, assignments, work. I've also been able to give my dogs more attention and spend more time with them. What have you done? Today's agenda is, what we'll be doing, guys, is we're going to be doing one subject a day. For most of you, it's only reading and math. For 8th graders, it's going to be all subjects. If I do send additional videos like morning meetings, life skills or social stories or story time, please make sure that you complete those as well at your own time, at your own pace. But any videos regarding English, math, science, or social studies, please complete, submit a picture, and turn in. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me via email or through text message through WhatsApp. All right, have a good day. Let's get started.